involved with is going to be AutoTech 1 and AutoTech 2 and 3, as well as diesel. The collision class, they have collision 1 and collision 2 and 3. Those are the primary emphasis that I'm involved with, but we have lots of other classes that D.T.E.C offers.
I like to be able to come here and get away from my normal school day of just all academic stuff. It's nice to be able to do some hands-on work and switch up the way I'm thinking. Allows me to meet new people and have new experiences you wouldn't get at regular school. I think it's good because people can come here and learn about working on cars and more hands-on work without having to take their own time to do it, because a lot of people want to learn these things but they can't, just because it's very time-consuming and a lot of practice. But here they give you everything you need and you have help, so you're not doing it all on your own. Well, there's a lot of different classes here, and I don't think that any are way better than each other. They're all great in their own way. Some that stand out to me are the D.T.E.C program and the AutoTech program. A lot of kids take them and it just teaches you a lot of the general information from this field that you'll be able to have for the rest of your life and really apply anywhere that you're working hands-on with vehicles. There's also a great welding program and machining, and both of those fields have a demand for jobs right now, and this is a great place to learn that and start a new kind of education.
It gets away from the monotony of normal school. You know, you go into a classroom, you read a book, you do an assignment, and doing that 7 times a day is really draining, while when I come here I'd spend 2 hours working on cars. It's pretty fun. If I had to recommend a class, I'd recommend Auto Body Year 1, Automotive Year 1, Diesel Year 1, and Welding Year 1, because those are all trade school or trade classes that can benefit you later in life that have a lack of workers in the current economy. There's a lack of trade workers, and those are classes that you can take to get you into a trade school that'll help you out greatly later in life. I appreciate that I know how to fix my own car now, whereas before I'd probably take it to a specialist. I could just do it on my own. I appreciate that I have a greater knowledge of tools than I had before. When I came to this class, I knew like wrenches and screwdrivers, and that's it. And now I know what to call an impact wrench, an impact hammer, and socket sets, and all that groovy stuff.